doing today? What is this? I'm gonna kiss. I'm about to go like a fish. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna miss. How can I miss? I'm gonna try it. Let's fire. I'm looking like an answer. I'm a pastor. I'm a pastor. I'm a pastor. I'm a pastor. I'm a manner. I'm so cattered. I'm so madder because I'm got a fatter. I look on your bus because I'm about to cuss. No, I'm kidding. What a fuss. What's the fuss? What's the fuss? I'm about to go on the drug and make a buzz. I'm about to start a buzz. It's the cuz thing. I'm about to stall. I'm about to be resistant to everybody on my way because it's okay. I'm a kid today. It's not the day to roast me. To roast me. To roast me. To roast me. Yo, what is this? What is this? It's a normal song. A little tiny dish on Kylie stupid on mom. No, I'm kidding. This ain't no little dish. This a small one. Look at this. Can't you even see that I'm getting this money right? It's all in the fighting cause I'm about to fight. Cough. What is this? Look at this. I got a crash. Hold on, that's. I'm about to go like crash. What is this, bro? What kind of fist, though? I got a fist, bro. I'm about to hit, though. I'm gonna hit on her because she's looking like Pastor. I just passed her. It's up and a bug. It's a bug. Coughing up. It's a red order. I just scored her. I had to start her. Score her. Mortar. Gotta get her more. Orange. Forehead. What is this, buddy? Because I'm getting this money. What is this, buddy? Because I'm getting 81% of buddy because it's looking like funny. I'm funny. Cover it up, let's go. So I got spell cologne. I'm going to feel the home. I'm about to go in like I'm a stupid toe. I'm gonna somebody home. When you ain't talking, got some vocal cords. What is this? I can scream so loud because I got some big this. It ain't over yet. Got it, the stupid peck. Talking it up. Let's go to it's not stop. Because I'm about to start. I'm gonna use some boat. I'm about to use some coat. Because I'm stupid new. Makes you gonna move. I'm an annoying cow. Move up. Because I'm gonna get another way. Because it's okay. It can stay. Let it make. I just got meal. Little still. Everybody hold still. But give me a second. I'm about to respond to Kyler. What is this? Kyler, get a diss. Ready? I might diss you at any time. No, I'm kidding. This ain't gonna go to you. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Ignore how I speak like this. If you pause the video, it's gonna be like kitty stuff. Can you even look like the stuff? It's the dough. Oh no. Why are you doing this? I gotta do this. Let's go.